So my name is Yunyi. I am a first-year PhD student at HCI Engineering Lab. My research focuses a little bit on the color changing or shape changing effect of an object. So a lenticular object is an object that can change its surface appearance when you're looking at it from different angles. The way we achieve this effect is by basically having thousands of little lenses distributed on the surface of the object. When you're looking at it, it's basically magnifying different spots in the underlying pattern. So when you're looking at one lens from different angles, it's going to show different color. And together, those thousands of lenses can show a relatively high quality pattern of the object on the surface of the object. You can have objects that interact with you actively without being able to track your motion or without being able to use battery. So one of our use cases is the kettlebell that basically shows whether you're doing the correct position of a front raise by showing you different arrows to hint you that you should move your hand higher or you should move your hand lower. So one direction that I can think of it to go is to put those little lenses on top of a piece of cloth or on top of a piece of fabric. In this way, you can basically make textiles or like clothes that can change color. So imagine like you have a dress and there are those tiny lenses on the dress, and when people move, the dress basically like shines and changes color, and those are very nice aesthetic effect that such lens can achieve. Another thing that those lenses, that these lenticular object might be useful at would be to provide privacy for patient in medical industry. So for example, right now you can see all the patient's name tagged onto those medicine bottles, but if you have lenticular lenses that are really, really small and have a really high quality, not like the ones that we currently have, but like actually printable high resolution, then you can basically have the patient's name only viewable by the patient themselves or the medical people instead of like someone else. So I like this kind of interactive effect between the human and the object.